Right, so the Defender's come in handy. We got some local roads are flooded round here, so you can see it's not too deep. We came along here just when we popped into work earlier, and we've got there was a BMW stuck. It gets worse around. Oh, there he is. Look, he still hasn't been towed out.
Oh wow!
We'll offer to tow him out if he's there. But yeah. So right, we can put the wade. So we're in this mode here. We'll go in wading mode. I don't know we really need it, but as we've got it, we'll go there. We'll go on the wading mode. We did this at Easter, so let's have a look. And again, it's annoying when you put it in wade mode. I really wish it would give you the wade sensing automatically. Here it comes. Come on. Did I press that, George?
Might have to press it again.
Oh, it's just being slow.
There we go.
Okay. So let's have a look how deep he got stuck. But you see, it's barely up to my tyres. It's showing, but it looks like he possibly caused a bow wave and got it into his. We'll just be careful not to get into the ditch by the side here. It's just saying it's above my tyres. It's not that. There's no one in there, is there?
No.
But it's not above his doors. I reckon he'd be all right. But yeah, he clearly got into a bit of a pickle. There we go. So that's some pretty good flooding. We're happy to be in our Defender anyway. There's not many other people coming along here. Because the other trouble is you don't know what other debris has been washed onto the road. So stones and rocks and stuff as it's flooded. Oh, there's a dog.
Cyclists.
Oh, a dog and cyclists.
Wading in ice may cause damage.
Oh, I mean, are we in ice, sorry?
Well, it popped up with that message.
Yeah.
How does it know we're in ice? I don't think we're in ice.
No, it don't look like we're in ice. I think it's just looking at the temperature. So.
Well, there you go.